Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Euhomy 110V Portable Clothes Dryer, a compact yet powerful laundry solution. With 850 W power, it handles up to 10 pounds of wet clothes effortlessly. Its quiet operation ensures no disruption to your conversations or sleep. Perfect for small spaces, it fits apartments, dorms, bedrooms, and more. Multiple drying modes cater to different fabrics and weights for optimal results. The 105 degrees door opening and see-through window make loading and monitoring easy. Certified for safety and quality, it comes with a 1-year warranty and full accessories. Rated 4.4 stars. Order today for $218.98.